Good morning, everybody. Before to start, I would like to thank my colleague Daniel Scandella, who helped me to prepare this speech. So, as it was said, I will give you some key figures on production, trade, and consumption of Apiacées, edible Apiacées in Europe. So I use mainly Eurostat statistics to present these figures. And I selected 4 Apiacées for which we have statistical data: Carotte, celery, celeriac, and fennel. So I will discuss the trends in production, foreign trade for these products, and I will complete my speech by some information on French trends in consumption for these products, because we have consumer panels that gives us information on consumption trends. So, about European production of edible Apiacées, as you can see here, Carotte is by far the main of these products in Europe, with 5,000 tons per year. And the other Apiacées, celeriac, celery, fennel, as you can see, lower production, as less than 500,000 tons. For Carotte, there are many producing countries, and the first is Poland, and ahead of United Kingdom and other countries, France, Germany, and the Netherlands. For the celeriac, as you can see here, the main countries are in the northern Europe, as Poland, Germany, and the Netherlands. Instead, for celery, the main countries are instead in southern Europe. The main are Italy, Spain, and United Kingdom too. For fennel, there is one country in Europe that grows the essential of the production. That's Italy. You have here the trend in Carotte production in Europe, and you can see after an increase until 2006, there's a bit decrease, slight decrease since this time on Carotte production. And so see, in detail, Carotte's production is relatively stable in Poland, but you can see here there are sizable variations from year to year. And production in France, Italy, and Spain has been on the decline in the recent years. On the other hand, production is on the rise in the Netherlands and Belgium, as well as in Germany, and stable in the UK. For celeriac, the production is slightly up, that's the blue line, while celery and fennel is rather decreasing. So, what are the main players on the European market? We are focusing here on the fresh product trade. For Carotte, for Carotte, the main producers are the Netherlands, and they are the largest exporter, ahead of Belgium, Spain, Italy, and France, that export lower volumes. And these countries export mainly early carrots. Belgium is also an importer, but it's in part to supply its processing industry. Other major importers are Germany and France. For celery, the main European importer is by far, the blue bar, is UK, followed by France and the Netherlands. Spain is the largest exporter ahead of Italy. For celeriac, the main importers are Germany, France, and Belgium, and the product is being sourced mainly from the Netherlands and to a lesser extent from Belgium. Though I will give some information on about consumption trends in France for carrots first. So as you can see here, in a general context of declining production, volumes for processing have increased, unlike those for the fresh market. But if we look at precisely at the households' purchases, you can see that almost 700% of the volumes of carrots consumed in France are consumed fresh, and there are nearly 90% households are buying fresh carrots every year, more than 10 kilos. And, as the volumes both processed represent 2 kilos by household, mainly canned carrots, and so deli salad carrots, grated carrots, and this kind of products, the consumption of this kind of products is increasing, is going up in France these days, these years. About celery, celeriac, and fennel, the number of purchasing households for celery, and there are 4 out of 10 households are buying fresh celery, and 8 less than 10% households are buying canned celery. For celeriac and fennel, 1 out of 5 households is buying fresh celeriac or fresh fennel, and for celeriac, you can see that there are almost as many households are buying mashed frozen celeriac as fresh celeriac. In the case of celery, the volumes bought by each household are around 1 kilo, and for celeriac and fennel is more than 2 kilos. And to end my speech, a graph that represents the breakdown of vegetable consumption by age class. And just to show you that at the top of the graph you have the vegetables that are more consumed by younger people, younger households, and instead at the bottom of the graph there are vegetables that are more consumed by older households. And as you can see here, celeriac, celery, fennel are more consumed, more purchased by older households instead, unlike carrot, that is bought by younger households like cucumber, broccoli, tomato, and onion. Thank you for your attention.